Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will see how to set up the environment for Ember.js development, and we will be mostly seeing about the Ember CLI. So the Ember CLI is a tool. It's a robust development toolkit. It is used for creating, developing and building emberjs applications. So we will look into the essential CLI commands that are being used for the with the Ember CLI. So in order to install this Ember CLI, our first step will be just open the command prompt. Make sure you have Node and npm setup. Right? If not, you can find these applications in this website, nodejs.org. Just download it and double click the file and install it by clicking on next and finish. Once Node is available, there is no other dependencies for us right now. We can get started with installing the Ember CLI right now. So the command for installing Ember CLI is npm install -g, which denotes global Ember -CLI. So this will download all the Ember related libraries, all its dependent test libraries, and the libraries required for running a local server. And it saves all those files in the global directory. So whenever we create a new project, it gets these files from this global directory, which is some local folder inside our system, and it places inside our projects folder. So this is what happens with this npm tool from Node.js when we run this command. We have just fast forwarded the installation. In order to verify the Ember CLI installation, let's just type Ember and press enter. You should see a message similar to this. So our Ember CLI tool is properly installed and configured. So let us create a new project right now. So I'm moving to the desired folder. In desktop, I have a Ember Qt1 folder. So inside this folder, let me type the command for creating a new Ember project with the Ember CLI. Creating a new application known as test app 1. This will be the name of the project. So it just created all these files which you could see, and it sets up the environment. So the project creation is completed. Let's start the server. So in order to start the server at the default port, we need to give Ember serve. This will start the local development server. This is a mistake I did. I didn't move inside the project folder. We are just in the root folder. You could see that here. So let me move inside the project folder where we have the files. Right now you could see the package JSON file and all. So this is the directory from where we have to start the server. So I have given Ember serve. So as you could see, the Ember server has started in the default port, which is 4200. So let us navigate to this URL in our browser. Sorry, just gave hold. So this is the default landing page. So our application is running successfully on localhost 4200. So if you see this message in your local, then Ember server has been set up properly. The Ember application has been set up properly and it's up and running. So what if we want to change our server port? For example, we have another application or another backend running in the same port 4200. In that case, what you could do is you could pass a command line argument when you start the server. So in order to stop the server, we have to click on Ctrl+C. So this will stop the server right now. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm typing ember serve -- port. Let's give 3000. Just have some patience. This might take some time. Usually it happens faster, but in rare cases it takes some time. So now our server has been started in the port 3000. So you could see the message here. So let's navigate to port 3000 right now. So yeah, we have the same message here, and if I go to 4200 right now, you would get an error message since the server has been stopped. So yeah, let's catch up in our next session. Have a nice day.